Hi guys, Nanny's gone to Glasgow for the weekend, so this is cooking Grandad style. Cook from frozen, 12 minutes. I think I can probably handle that. Remove all packaging, place directly on the top shelf of a preheated oven with a tray on the shelf below. That's to catch the drips, yeah. Cook from frozen, 200 degrees. 200 for 12 minutes. If we can get the box open. Okay, that can go in there. Yeah, 12 minutes. Fan on 200. Yeah. Okay, we'll come back in 12 minutes. Right, we got a beeping noise. And we have a pizza. Dinner is served. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.